All right, I know it's windy. Yeah, but we are trying the Chicago home of chicken and waffles in Oak Park, Illinois for lunch. So let's check it out. I haven't been there in years. So. One, two, three, yeah. All right, guys. We first attended the Chicago Chicken and Waffle in 2011, and it's been over 10 years, and the place is still standing. Everything kind of feels like the same. Different atmosphere, different background music, but the batter for the chicken, to me, is the best thing going. The waffles are just standard. It's the seasoning and the batter of the chicken and the fish that makes this place number one. These homemade fries, 0. But the fish and the chicken, the batter, the seasons, hands down, number one. It is, to me, very expensive for what you're getting, because you can get this same meal, chicken stand, for a little bit cheaper, but again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you check out the closest chicken and waffle in the west suburbs and have a wonderful time. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.